Everybody, and welcome to Minecraft Let's Play video. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a flushing toilet. This is a tutorial though. This is my tutorial. Don't worry. That's there. But here's the flushing toilet. Let's see how it works. So yeah, isn't that pretty cool? But I'm now going to be building it. Okay, I'm missing something. I'm missing a redstone torch. You get a redstone torch. Oh. And I'll be making some other videos though, so don't worry, I will be making more, but just never forget to press the wall button or else you're dead meat. Forgot how it went, actually. Okay. Can't find my buttons. Oh, and I'm sorry that was something there. Just I ran out of breath to even talk. I'm sorry, guys. But I have my voice back now. So now I'll be talking again. Just want to see it run. See that? Hold on, I need to look at this real quick. That's right. this real quick again. Yep. Now, let's go back and get the toy. But again, awesome. Let's look at this again, just real quick, guys. I'm sorry not to do this, but this is only my tutorial how to make a flushing toilet, pretty much. And if y'all want any more videos of mine, just leave a comment in the comment section that says I want you to make more videos, and if you don't, just don't write anything. It's okay with me if y'all don't want any more videos, as long as I'm making these videos, I'm fine. Okay, guys? I'm just making the videos just for y'all to watch, pretty much. But this is my first video, but that really isn't like my complete first video. I've made other videos that's pretty short. Also, I haven't made just this video that I'm making right now. This video might go on for a while, guys. I'm sorry, but I have to, make a big video, because this is a lot of working. Alright. Trust me. It's a lot. Alright. Gotta go look at the back of this real quick. Nice. I'm sorry, guys, that y'all are gonna have to sit and watch this for a while. But I'm just doing this video just for y'all only, though. I'm not doing this just to have fun about it. I'm just doing it just so y'all can watch shit and actually enjoy. Just enjoy, guys. Just enjoy. Oh, wrong button. See, that's how it looks like right now. Okay. I'm sorry if y'all hear a voice in the background, but it's okay, guys. It's just my cousin and one of Lafayette's daughters. Okay, this is perfect looking. Now I'm starting to like this. Now I hope they are enjoying though. Well, I'm making this video for y'all, which we're pretty much almost done. The whole thing now. The next video I'm going to be showing you how to make a zipper elevator. I know they all might have seen that from FedEx Gaming, but I'm going to make this one even epicer and neater. And that's pretty much the whole thing. Pretty much. Just need to add a bucket of water. And then you're all done. But I will show y'all something else pretty much though. It's just gonna be real cool. My elevator thing. It's just elevator. Well, not elevator. It's just nether portals from like right here. First, I'll start from right here, then I'll end up in there. But you'll see. Oh. Okay. Ah, dang it.
Hey, what's there to eat in there? No, that's salty. Ooh, I want some sugar. But it was such a mini hot dog thing. Well, we can't eat those with your sister. She'd be really mad. Well, we can save her some. Hey, can we pick this up to eat? It's salty.
I'm in the nether right now.
Or the barbecue chips.
This might go a bit wrong because this is kind of what I've been doing recently. But look at that! It transferred me. See that? How cool is that? But we just about ran out of time in this video. But in the next video, I'll be doing the elevator thing, okay? Bye.